You're going to the gym almost every day. You're sweating, lifting weights, and feeling sore, but your body still looks the same. No muscle shape, no strength jump, no confidence boost. So you start blaming your genetics, your routine, or even the gym itself. But here's the harsh truth most beginners never hear. You're not failing because you're lazy. You're failing because you're making silent mistakes. Mistakes that kill muscle growth even when you're working hard. In this video, I'll expose those mistakes and show you exactly how to fix them. And mistake number 3 is ruining more beginners than anything else. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, where we keep fitness simple, practical, and result-driven. If you're a beginner or someone training for months with little to no progress, you're in the right place. I've made these beginner mistakes myself and helped many others fix them. This channel is about real muscle, real strength, and no confusion. So if that's what you want, hit subscribe and let's build your body the right way. Let me describe a situation that almost every beginner goes through. You join the gym full of excitement. The first few days feel great. You're motivated, trying new machines, learning exercises. After a week, your body is sore, and you take that soreness as a sign that you're growing. But then weeks pass. Your strength barely improves. Your body looks almost the same in the mirror. So you start changing things randomly. One day you train arms for an hour. Next day you copy a workout from the biggest guy in the gym. Some days you skip workouts, other days you overtrain. Slowly, frustration kicks in. You think, I'm working so hard. Why isn't this working? Most beginners blame the wrong things. They blame genetics, supplements, or the lack of expensive equipment. Some even think the gym is a waste of time. But here's the real truth. The problem isn't your effort. The problem isn't your body. The real problem is lack of direction. You're training without understanding how muscle actually grows, without structure, without recovery, without a plan that connects workouts, food, and rest together. And when these pieces don't match, progress doesn't just slow down, it completely stops. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is believing that sweat equals results. If a workout feels hard, they assume it must be building muscle. But muscle growth doesn't come from exhaustion. It comes from progressive overload. Progressive overload simply means giving your muscles a new reason to grow over time. If you lift the same weight for the same reps, with the same effort every week, your body adapts and stops changing. Here's a common example. A beginner benches 40 kg for 10 reps. Week after week, the weight stays the same. They push hard, feel tired, but months later, no visible progress. Effort stayed high, but the stimulus stayed flat. Muscles respond to progress, not comfort. They grow when you demand slightly more than last time. The fix: start tracking your workouts. Every week, aim to improve just one thing. Add 1-2 reps. Increase weight slightly, or improve control and form. Progress doesn't need to be dramatic. Small, consistent improvements are enough to force muscle growth. Remember, if your training doesn't progress, your body won't either. The second big mistake beginners make is doing too much too soon. You walk into the gym, see advanced lifters training for 2 hours doing endless sets, and you assume that's the secret to muscle growth. So you start copying them. Chest day becomes 18-20 sets. Arms get trained almost every day. Rest days feel like wasted time. But what most beginners don't understand is this: more training does not mean more muscle. Muscles grow during recovery, not during the workout. Advanced lifters can handle high volume because their bodies are adapted, their technique is efficient, and their recovery is on point. Beginners don't have that foundation yet. Overtraining leads to constant fatigue, weak workouts, joint and shoulder pain, no strength progress. You feel busy in the gym, but your body never fully recovers. So growth never happens. The fix: train 3-5 days per week, not every day. Focus on quality over quantity. Use compound movements like squats, presses, rows, and pulls. Keep sets moderate and recover properly. Remember, the goal is not to destroy your body. It's to stimulate it and let it grow. The third major mistake that silently kills muscle growth is neglecting nutrition. You can train perfectly, lift heavy, and follow a structured program. But if your body doesn't get enough fuel, your muscles simply cannot grow. Many beginners think, I eat normally, that's enough. But normal is rarely enough for muscle growth. Muscles need calories, protein, and consistent nutrition to repair and grow after workouts. Without proper nutrition, strength gains stall, recovery slows, energy drops, muscle growth halts. Simple rule: aim for 1.62 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. This ensures your body has the building blocks to repair and grow muscle fibers. Practical fix: focus on real foods first. Eggs, chicken, fish, and lentils for protein, rice, oats, and whole grains for energy, vegetables and fruits for vitamins and minerals. Supplements are optional. Protein powder can help, but it's not mandatory. Muscle isn't built in the gym, it's built in the kitchen and during recovery. Train hard, but feed your body properly. That's the only way your effort translates into real growth. Step 1. Train with structure. What? Follow a basic program like push-pull legs or upper-lower split. Why? Structure prevents random workouts and ensures all muscles are trained efficiently. 6-10 exercises per session, focusing on major muscle groups. 3-4 sets per exercise. Prioritize compound movements. Squats, bench press, deadlifts, rows. Maintain proper form over heavier weights. Structured training ensures every session stimulates muscle growth without overloading your body. Step 2. Progress every week. What? Track your lifts and aim for small improvements each session. Why? Progressive overload is the main driver of muscle growth. How? Use a notebook, app, or phone to record exercises, sets, reps, and weight. Each week, try to add 1-2 reps, increase the weight slightly, improve control and form. Even small, consistent progress compounds over time into significant strength and size gains. Step 3. Recover and eat properly. What? Prioritize rest, sleep, and nutrition. Why? Muscles grow outside the gym during recovery and repair. How? Why? Sleep 7-8 hours nightly. Take at least 1-2 rest days per week. Eat enough protein daily. 1.6 g per kg body weight. Include whole foods. Eggs, chicken, lentils, rice, vegetables, fruits. Time frame: follow this system consistently for 30-60 days. Expectation: you'll notice increased strength, fuller muscles, and better recovery, even if you're not looking like a bodybuilder yet. Stick to this plan, and you'll see that consistency and proper habits beat random workouts and wasted effort every time. Here are some of the most common questions and myths beginners face. Question 1. Do I need supplements to build muscle? No. Supplements like protein powders or creatine can help, but real food comes first. Eggs, chicken, lentils, and rice provide everything you need for growth. Question 2. How long before I see results? You may notice strength improvements within 2-3 weeks, but visible muscle growth usually takes 6-8 weeks with consistent training and nutrition. Patience is key. Question 3. Should beginners train every day? Absolutely not. Training 3-5 days per week is optimal. More frequent workouts without proper recovery lead to fatigue, stagnation, or even injury. Question 4. Can skinny guys build muscle? Yes. Your genetics don't define your potential. You just need to focus on progressive overload, proper nutrition, and consistency. Question 5. Is soreness necessary for growth? No. Muscle soreness is not a measure of progress. What matters is stimulating the muscles with the right weight, reps, and form, not feeling sore every day. Remember, the truth is simple. Train smart, eat well, rest enough, and results will follow. Let's be honest. Building muscle is slow and steady work. There are no shortcuts, no magic programs, and no quick fixes. You won't look like a bodybuilder in a week, and that's okay. The key is consistency. not intensity. Showing up regularly, lifting with proper form, eating enough, and allowing your body to recover will pay off over time. Most beginners quit before their body even gets a chance to change. Don't be one of them. Focus on discipline over motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you on track. Track your progress, celebrate small wins, and remember that every small improvement compounds into major results over weeks and months. Your body will respond if you give it the right stimulus, fuel, and rest. Patience and persistence are your best friends, and they always win in the long run. Consistency beats excuses every time. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It really supports the channel and lets me know you want more practical fitness content. Subscribe now for no BS workouts, nutrition tips, and muscle building strategies every week. And comment below, which beginner mistake do you think has been holding you back the most? I read every comment and love giving tips, so share your experience and let's improve together.